Whilst I'm creating a customer's order, I'm going to explain how this sign has generated revenue for our business and how it can increase your sales too. We did a market this weekend and I had several of these signs scattered around the store. I noticed one particular lady scanned the sign on her mobile, and after having a good look around, she said she would be back later. So I wished her well and thought no more of it. About an hour passed and she returned saying she had watched my latest video whilst having some lunch. Funny enough, it was the one about getting ready for this particular market. If you haven't seen it, I'll post a link in the description. Anyway, during the conversation, the lady asked if we do custom orders. If you haven't got one of these QR signs for your website, Etsy store or YouTube channel, if you've got one, then you really are missing out on potential sales. If you don't know how to make one, leave a comment, and if there's enough interest, I'll make a video showing how I do them. What the lady wanted is a rustic but distressed looking item made mainly from reclaimed materials, and this got me thinking about creating a small series of videos building 4 or 5 items that would work really well together as a set and made in a beginner friendly way. If this is of interest, hit the like button and comment series below so I know that at least someone's going to watch it. As always with pallet wood projects, things often don't look great during the build, but as you will see in the end, put the effort in and you can make some really lovely items from materials that would often just be discarded. As it happens, the event turned out to be a regular weekly craft market. We wasn't aware of that when we went, but we're now booked in as permanent stall holders. I will be creating a lot of new items in the coming weeks for Judy to take, as she's going to be running it going forward. I will do videos for many of the items that I make, and from time to time I'll let you know which things are selling and which ones are not. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to keep up to date with how things go. So it's a nice easy build to put together. It's just going to be glued and screwed. I'm going to do 2 each side for the coat hook bar, 1 each side for the mounting plate and 2 each side for the shelf. All of those will be drilled out and plugged, and I've just come in 70mm either side for the coat hooks because that looks aesthetically pleasing to me. You don't need to see me drilling the holes to put it together. I'll come back when it's all put together and then we'll go from there. So that's the plugs all cut. I used my Japanese flush trim saw. For those that don't know, the teeth are actually set at the same angle as the blade, so you don't mark all your wood when you're making the cut. I managed to get 1 plug at the wrong direction and 1 the wrong colour. Unfortunately, I think the wood changed colour through the actual bits that I was cutting the plugs, and I didn't catch on to that at the beginning, but it looks really nice actually. It's come up lovely. So I've done a stain test. That's the Morel's walnut, which I actually quite like, but not necessarily for this project. This is the natural oak that I normally use, but that's too orangey for me for this one. And this is just beeswax, so I'm going to go with that. I'll finish it all up, put the hooks on, and I'll do that off camera and come back when we're finished. I have 3 plans available for this build. If you want them, just put plans in the comments section below and I'll get them to you. So as I said, this video wasn't about the project behind me, that was just a byproduct. This video is more about taking every opportunity you can to promote your business in as many ways as you can in today's world. Leave a sign linking to your store, to your website, everywhere your products are, even if you're not there. Social media is a huge revenue stream. I haven't pushed that anywhere near enough yet because the workshop's not ready to to be able to cope with a huge stream of orders. But as it becomes ready, I'll be pushing social media massively, and you can follow me in that journey because I'll report everything that works and everything that doesn't. As I said before, I've been selling online since 2007, not in the woodworking industry, but in a different market completely. But the rules are the same. I've built my own websites, I've built my own stores for eBay, Etsy, Amazon, and now we sell on Vinted too. So I'll keep you up to date with what's going on. Look out for the next installment on the project like the one below. That are going to be a series of 4 or 5 videos. And if you're looking for inspiration for products for around your home or for your business, I'll link my playlist right here with all my other projects in so far to date.